So you want to create a new card in Trello whenever a new row is added in Google Sheets. But will you copy and paste every time a new row is added in Sheets to Trello? That's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps. To begin, you will see the Add Accounts screen. Here, you have to add your Google Sheets and Trello accounts to Automate.io. And just to keep your mind at ease, you should know that Automate.io will keep your data secure. And after successful completion of this step, you will see the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you would like to transfer from Google Sheets to Trello. Once you complete this step successfully, Automate.io will create a card in Trello whenever there is a new row added in Google Sheets. Let's first focus on the Google Sheets, which is our trigger app. It is used to define when your automation should start. In our case, we have a new row created in Google Sheets. For this automation to work, you need to fill the right value in the required input fields. And for Google Sheets, these fields are Spreadsheet, which is where you will select the specific Google Sheet you want Automate.io to monitor for changes, and then the Worksheet, where you select the exact worksheet in which you would like us to monitor for your new row data. And now coming to Trello, this is our Action app, which defines what action should happen in the workflow. In our case, we want to add a new card in Trello after a new row is created in Google Sheets. And for Trello as well, we will fill in the required input fields. The first required input field is board. Here, you will select the specific board to which the new card will be added. And we also have list as a required field. And this is for selecting the list where the card will be added. And the final required field is the card title. This field is used for selecting the name of the newly formed card. You can do this by clicking on the add symbol like this and selecting an option, or dragging and dropping relevant fields from the Google Sheets. And another way to fill in the data is by typing it in the box. Once you've completed that, to proceed to the next stage, click on Done. In this part, you will test your newly created automation, which you can simply call a bot. The purpose of this step is to double check whether our bot works the way we want it to. We can do this either by entering sample data or by creating a new row in the Google Sheet we specified. I will show you how to test using the second method. So navigate to Google Sheets and open your sheet. Fill in a row with a new lead. And the best part, your bot will keep working in the background so that you can work on something else. Always remember that once we click and save our bot successfully, Automate.io will actually create a card in Trello whenever there is a new row added in Google Sheets. And our bot will now run in the background and do all of our work. If you want to try out this automation, click on the link below to get started quickly. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly at help@automate.io. Thank you for tuning in for this tutorial.